Hello everyone, in today's video I'm excited to show you how to add an on-hover effect in Figma. Let's dive right in. We'll start with a button that I've created using a rectangle, some text, and effects like a drop shadow and glow. To add the on-hover effect, first select both the rectangle and the text element. In the top right sidebar, click the button to create a component. You can rename this component or leave it with the default name. Next, we'll create a variant of the button. Select the original button again and click on Add Variant in the top right sidebar. This essentially duplicates the button. You can rename the properties for this new variant in the sidebar as well. Now customize the second button to your liking. I'm going to change the background color, update the text, and add a little more drop shadow just to see the difference. This will represent the appearance during the hover effect. After you've made your customizations, we need to link the first button to the second one. Select the original button and then click on the prototype option in the top right sidebar. A small circle will appear on the edge of your first button. Grab that circle and drag it to the second button. An interaction box will pop up. Set the trigger to while hovering. For the action, select Change To and then choose Dissolve for the animation. Set the curve to ease out and the duration to about 200 meters or 300 meters. We're almost there, but we want to see the final output in your design. Click on the Assets option in the left sidebar, then use the filter to select Created in this file. Drag the button onto your design and hit the Preview button in the top right sidebar. A preview window will appear, allowing you to test the on-hover effect. And that's it. You've successfully added an on-hover effect in Figma. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content.